Well, another day in paradise, or lockdown as they say. I've fitted all the LEDs, soldered all these in. So that's 162 solder joints I've done just to put those in. You get 2 or 3 spare LEDs just in case you get one fail, which is good. And it's not the best soldering I've done. I don't think the light's very good in this room. Anyway, the next job is to insert things like the sockets and switches and things like that, and they're fairly easy to put in. There's not a lot of soldering involved, but that's what I'm doing next. Okay, all the components are in this board. This is the first one I've ever made, and this is the first one I've ever made, and it's got a USB socket on there. These don't come with a USB socket, they come with like a powering connector. But these never work first time. There is a fault on the printed circuit board, and without the circuit diagram it's very difficult to find the fault. However, if you want to got one of these that's not working, where some of the lights are not working, drop me a message and I'll tell you how to fix it, or show you how to fix it. I think I did on a previous video regarding these, you know, about a year ago, maybe longer than that. But as I say, once you've assembled them correctly, they don't work because some of the LEDs won't illuminate, because this is a printed circuit board fault and you have to rectify it. The other thing I mentioned just a minute ago, when you order these kits, you don't get the USB socket, and I order them separate. But it does have one of these small powering connector, you can see just there. But I've ordered a USB socket, and I got some on order for these. I'm just going to plug it in because I have repaired that one. You can see them both working. And you can actually, there's a little switch you can press, it can change the pattern. Press the switch. And the one on the right now is doing a totally different pattern to the one on the left. Press that one. Change this one. Change it again. I think that's all I'm going to do for this video in terms of lighting and making electronic projects. I've got a few more things on order. I've got some breathing hearts, which you've probably seen in the motorhome, and I've got some new stuff I've never done before, but I'll just leave you with some of my electronic displays I make running. And as I say, if you'd like any of these, and then as long as you pay for the material costs, then drop me a message, and the email is on the end of this video. These are the hourglasses, the Chinese knots in the middle.